Amidst the news, this big split in farm unions over ending the ongoing agitation, BKU leader Rakesh Tikait has sent SKM leader Jagtar Singh Bajwa to the Singhu border to iron out differences growing within the unions. A meeting of 40 farmer organizations who were part of talks with the government in the past has been called off. It was scheduled for Singhu border, but farm unions of Punjab are holding a separate meeting at 1 p.m. today. The umbrella body of farm unions, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, has distanced itself from the meeting. The SKM is set to hold its own huddle on Saturday. The government has sought 5 names from the SKM panel for the panel on MSP. A faction of farmers now wants to end the agitation, citing the scrapping of farm laws and government committee to frame laws on MSP. But Rakesh Tikait of the BKU is still adamant on continuing with the agitation. Meanwhile, Haryana government has called farmer unions for further talks. The government is also likely to withdraw all the criminal cases registered against the farmers.
मेन इशू है कि 50-55 हजार मुकदमे जो पूरे देश भर में आंदोलन के दौरान हुए वे खत्म होंगे। एमएसपी गारंटी कानून बनेगा। जो किसान हमारे शहीद हुए उनको कंपनसेशन, जो ट्रैक्टर बंद है उनको ट्रैक्टर, ये सारी चीजें। एक कमेटी बन जाएगी जो बातचीत के लिए आगे भी कमेटी बात करती रहेगी।
बार-बार चल रही है मोर्चा, आज समाप्त हो जाना है मोर्चा, 2 तरीक को मोर्चा समाप्त हो जाना है। मोर्चा लगातार जारी रहेगा जिन्ना चिर सरकार सारे मोर्चे की बैठक बुलावे, बैठक बुला के आमनो सामने बैठे सरकार कोशिश कीते भी असी जिहड़ियां मंगां मोर्चे दीयां मन लियां तां फिर मोर्चे बारे सोचा जा सकदा, मोर्चे की गल बारे सोचा जा सकदा। एवें हवावां 'च मोर्चा एवें जिक्र जारी रहूगा।
Days after Prime Minister Modi apologized to farmers and 3 farm laws were withdrawn in the parliament, are the farmers now split wide open on the future course of action? That remains to be a big question. There are some division amongst the multiple farmer unions at Delhi's border on what to do next. Farmers from Punjab already get MSP, and if cases against them are withdrawn and they get back their 10-year-old tractors to ply, they want to head home. Farmers from UP, some led by Rakesh Tikait, want to continue the agitation. Kumar Kunal with this report.
They have not budged from the borders. 1 year on, the protest is showing no signs of waning. The Prime Minister's move to revoke the 3 laws has not fully satisfied the farmers.
हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है।
The appeal by the government to call off the stir and return home has been turned down. The farmer wants more from the government. A legal guarantee on MSP is the primary demand. The unions also want all cases against farmers to be withdrawn and compensation for those who died during the struggle. The other issues are related to stubble burning, the sacking of Union Minister Ajay Mishra Teni and withdrawal of the electricity bill. Even as the umbrella organization of farmers set a new deadline, differences are cropping up on when to call off the stir. Some farmer groups in Punjab and Haryana say they are ready to pack up their protest if government gives in to 2 of their demands.
देखो, हमारा तो फैसला यही है कि एमएसपी पर कमेटी बने और कमेटी में सभी जो भारत के लोग हैं उनमें से एक-एक को किसान नेता को ले लिया जाए।
सभी पर्चे जो हैं वो कैंसिल होने चाहिए, एफआईआर सब उनको कैंसिल करना चाहिए। जब वो कैंसिल करेंगे उसके बाद एमएसपी के ऊपर जो कमेटी बनी उसको लीगलाइज तब तक नहीं, जब तक करते हैं तब तक ये आंदोलन नहीं खत्म होगा भाई।
Rakesh Tikait, who has been spearheading the agitation, is not too happy with his fellow farmers in other states going soft on the demands.
सब टारगेट पे सरकार के हैं। जो जितना जल्दी यहाँ से जाएगा उतना ही जल्दी जेल भी जाएगा। सब है, तो ज्यादा खुशी मनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। अभी संयुक्त मोर्चा इकट्ठा रहें।
Tikait even took a jibe at these farmers, asking them to come clean on their talks with the government.
क्या आपको लगता है कि कुछ संगठनों की सरकार से भी पीछे के रास्ते बात
होगी? ये भी हमने बुझा कि किसी की कोई बातचीत सरकार से हुई हो तो स्पष्ट करे कि उसकी कहां तक बात हुई और किससे बात हुई। बगैर मुकदमों के वापसी के, बगैर एमएसपी के, भारत सरकार से बातचीत करे बिना यहां से कोई जाने को तैयार नहीं है।
As another long winter sets in, there is restlessness growing. Many feel a big part of the battle was won with the laws being annulled in Parliament on Monday. The fight for MSP and other issues could continue without squatting behind barricades. Bureau Report, India Today.